inhabitants from Suria, that they will tell us their opinions about the century of the potash discovered in Suria's area. Then, thank you for coming in our program. First, we will start with Oriol, an habitant from Suria, that he will explain us his opinion about the century of the potash discovered in Suria, and also he will tell us his opinion about the project of Phoenix.
Well, in my opinion, we are very glad to be near one of the most popular potash mines in Europe because we are becoming more well known around the world, finding jobs easily. And about Phoenix project, I think it's a good way to promote the Spanish industry around the world and helping Suria's people to survive to this great crisis, making more and more workplaces apart from Suria is having more works contacts around the world.
Okay, thanks Oriol. And now we will have the opinion of Christian, an habitant from Suria, that does not agree with Oriol's opinion.
In my opinion, I don't like that this is set expectation from century because two promoters combined in our countries and the importance and superiority than our people do not think is appropriate. And speaking of Project Phoenix, I think it is a good idea to live without a job, supervise works, and transit with transport potash with trucks, and will be a sham because it will only be a false project to people we believe and accept this project.
Well, thank you for coming in the news, and thank you for all your collaboration. We are very happy about your opinions, and we don't know what will happen about this project. Thank you for coming, and goodbye.